Hey guys, welcome to this week's Wishlist or Pass, where I'll be filling you in on all the makeup and skincare products that I'm interested in purchasing and all the ones I'm going to be taking a pass on. So if you're interested in seeing my opinions on these newly released products, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. First off is the KL Polish Spring Collection. I love Kathleen's nail polishes. The consistency, the smoothness, the longevity, the color selection. It is by far one of my favorite nail polish brands, so kudos to her. And so for this spring collection, I was very excited to see what sort of colors she'd come up with, because spring, typically you think of pastels, and of course she stayed true to the spring theme of pastels. But I already own so many pastel nail polishes, both from Essie and OPI, among others. But there was this one polish called Charmed, which was this pink and blue kind of duochrome that really caught my eye. So I will be taking a pass on all the other 5 colors, but that one duochrome color, the pink and blue duochrome color called Charmed, which was, by the way, one of my favorite TV shows back in the day. Alyssa Milano was my favorite actress from that show. This show is so awesome. And anyway, so I love all these supernatural shows. So let me tell you, when I saw that polish, I was just loved the name and loved the uniqueness of that shade. Nail polish I'm wearing now, it's like a pink mint duochrome along the same lines as the Charmed color, and it's an OPI color, by the way, called Significant Other Color. Love this shade. So it's along those same lines, except it's pink and mint, not pink and a blue. And another similar shade I own is a lavender and blue duochrome by Nails Inc. And it was in the Mermaid duo, and it's called, ooh, sorry, I almost dropped it. Oh my god, guys, I almost dropped it. It's called Rainbow Wishes. So this is like a pinky mint duochrome that's on my nails now. Oh, and this is like a lavender blue duochrome. But I really want to try her version, which is pink and blue. So I will be getting that. And nothing else from that spring collection, but I'll probably be getting her black, I think it's called Tuxedo Mask, from Sailor Moon. And I think it's called Das Expensive at 26, I believe. The one where it's more of like a glitter top coat. I want to try pairing that with the Tuxedo Mask color, because I think the glitters in that top coat will really stand out and make that black as a background really make those glitters pop. So I'm excited for that. I'll show you guys once I purchase them how it looks. So this collection is launched already, so if you're interested in buying any of these spring shades and you're lacking in pastel shades, then I highly recommend her brand of polishes, because they are of the utmost quality. Next up, Glamglow is coming out with some more glitter masks. They already have one out now, I think for the last couple months or so, and that did not intrigue me. I do not want skincare that has glitter in it. I think that is the antithesis of what you would want out of skincare, because I think that would block your pores, and I don't think that's going to help having glitter in skincare, especially in facial masks. So when I saw this, and I saw they were going to be releasing a lavender glitter mask, a pink glitter mask, a black glitter mask, I didn't get their initial glitter mask release, and I'm not going to get this one. This does not intrigue me, does not interest me. I don't think this is going to be productive with what you would want out of your skincare. You want it to be nourishing and to make your skin look better, not to clog up your pores. So no, I will be taking a pass on the new Glamglow glitter masks, all 3. The colors are pretty, but no. Next up is a collab between Tarte and Aspyn Ovard. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Let me know if it's incorrect. But I saw this palette, and honestly I thought, how much more boring can one get? I mean, it just looks like there are 4 or 5 variations of off-white in there. So it's basically an eyeshadow plus highlight plus blush kind of palette all in one. So basically a face palette. But the colors are just so extremely muted to the point where it does not inspire me creatively or anything at all. So this was a completely easy decision for me. A complete pass, okay? I don't know what's going on there. Just no. Just 100% no. And it pains me to say that, but I don't know what's going on with Tarte now lately, guys. I really don't know. Okay, guys, so next up, I saw on Trendmood that Becca is going to be releasing some new crystal lip glosses. I think that's what it's called, crystal lip glosses, crystal lip toppers. And I do have one by them, this one right here. And it's called Opal Flashes Jade, and it's one of my absolute favorite lip glosses. It's not goopy, it's very comfortable. The shade is very unique. It's like this like lavender base, but it flashes kind of like this jade green color in the light. It's just super unique, super beautiful, and I can't wait to try new shades from Becca, because I really think they make excellent lip glosses. Along with their other products, they're all really top-notch, but I really enjoy their lip glosses. Of course, their highlighters are staples in practically everyone's collections, and that goes without saying. I mean, I love their highlights, but this lip gloss, man, it's pricey. That's why I only have one, but I would purchase another one, and I probably will. I just want to see some more swatches, and then I'll narrow it down to the color I want to purchase, color or two. But the other colors that were initially released in the launch with this color, with their highlights, there is one color I do want to get from their past collection. I think it's called like Seashell Flashes something or other. It's like the pinky version of this. But yeah, I am excited to see all their new colors, and from the swatches I have seen online, they look pretty, but I still am waiting to see some more swatches. And then I will make my final decision on which shade I will pick. Next up is the collab between Colourpop and Eva. So they've just come out with this last week, and I was excited initially because I thought, oh, you know, a summer collection. It's gonna be really, you know, like maybe something different, maybe some blues, some greens, some purples in there, like some really bright like mattes mixed with shimmers. But when I saw the colors that did end up coming out in this collection, there's two eyeshadow palettes, and one of them has really nice warm tones, but I have enough warm tones, guys, like enough already. I'm not going to be purchasing that. And the other one is just too, I don't know, it just seems more like a very deep smoky eye sort of palette that you would get that does not scream summer to me. It screams more honestly like winter to me. So I was very puzzled by the second eyeshadow palette. The first one, okay, I get warm tone, summer, gotcha, you know. It's just kind of like, no, I don't know, nothing new enough for me to want to purchase it. And the lip shades I'm just not interested in. The face duo looks a bit too deep for me. But either way, even if the shades were more fitting for my skin tone, honestly, I wouldn't be getting it. I don't need it. And I thought I might be purchasing an eyeshadow palette if there were some shades that were kind of like different, but that was not the case. So I'll be taking a pass on this Colourpop collab that just released last week. So, yep. An easy pass for me now on this one. Next up are the Clinique Cheek Pop blushes. They'll be releasing 4 new shades. They all look super cute. I own about, I think, 4 or 5 of their cheek pops, and I love them. They're pigmented, they're blendable, they have really nice color selections from the Clinique Cheek Pop blushes, and they're so adorable with the little, like, dandelion flowers kind of embossed in there. They're adorable. Like, come on, A+ on the packaging and the quality of the product itself, okay? And so when I saw they were releasing these 4 new shades, I was like, oh, let me see what colors they're releasing. And this one color really stood out to me, and it's called Ballerina Pop. And it's this cool tone, light, cool toned pink. And it stood out to me because I already own, like, so many peach toned blushes. So now I'm kind of on this kind of cooler toned blush kick, just because I want to make my collection a lot more well-rounded. So I was like, okay, this Ballerina Pop, okay, this is going to be added to my collection ASAP. So whenever this does come out, there's no set release date yet. But when they do come out with a release date, I will be purchasing the Ballerina Pop color. There is this gorgeous peachy shade that, you know, if I needed some peachy shades, I'd probably get this. I already own a peach shade from their line, and also I think a coral shade, I think. But if you don't own any peach shades, try it from Clinique, their cheek pops, because they're very, very, very good. So yeah, guys, that was this week's Wishlist Surpass. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a good rest of the day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
And my doggy says bye too, because it was just National Puppy Day. Wasn't it National Puppy Day? Do I like makeup? No, I like doggy treats. I don't like makeup. I like doggy treats. Yeah, doggy treats for life. Because National Puppy Day is every day. Bye, guys.